Just to clarify, 2 leaders left the summit because they'd had a close contact. Ursula von der Leyen was a close contact, as was explained in her professional work in Brussels. And as for the Finnish Prime Minister, it was a close contact in Finland. Of course, it's a difficult situation. It's my responsibility, after having consulted the leaders, to decide how we should work. As you know, for several months at the start of the pandemic, we worked exclusively with video conferencing, which enabled us to make progress on certain subjects. But we saw that there are certain limits with video conferencing as well when we have sensitive debates where there needs to be a greater degree of confidentiality, and also the ability to be able to work together to get compromises and decisions. And in those situations, it's clear that we need to have physical meetings. They're important as well. We had a brief debate at the start of the summit. Several leaders said we need to be cautious in convening physical meetings, but several leaders also expressed the need to keep face-to-face meetings. We have a number of protocols in place, precautionary measures, the health measures for the delegations. We make sure that we severely restrict access to the buildings. The staff who accompany are involved in our meetings are subject to preventive tests so that we can find any potential cases so that we protect, in inverted commas, our meetings. I'll be very specific. A couple of weeks ago, we had a very important discussion on the Eastern Mediterranean, Turkey. It would have been very difficult to have had that same discussion. And yesterday, we had a very intense, important discussion on Brexit. I think in both cases, it would have been very difficult to have those discussions using a video conference. But over the coming weeks, meeting by meeting, theme by theme, in consultation with the different leaders, we will decide on the wisest way to proceed and organise our meetings to ensure that the European institutions can function but guarantee as far as possible everyone's safety.
Merci, Monsieur le Président.